Alright guys, gotta show you guys this. Oh Jess, let's get some better lighting over here. Sorry about that guys, hold on. One moment guys, there you go. There you go. So Jess is making torta. Right Jess? So again right there, egg. And she already put, oh you put pepper and all that in there Jess? Okay, so like I said earlier, we boiled the eggplant. Jess just took out the skin of the eggplant, and now I guess you're gonna marinate it. Is that correct, Jess? Yeah. Well, you have to smash it too. Yeah. Okay. Apparently, you have to smash it, guys. Look at that. Who out there loves eggplant? Oh, I thought you dip it inside, honey. All right, there you go, guys. Look at that. Woo! Okay, all this time I thought you put the eggplant inside the bowl. No? Okay. Alright guys, look at that. Torta. So it is marinating. Oh, what else did you put in the egg, honey?
Just only salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper? Okay. Salt and pepper, guys. There you go. Here's the eggplant, guys. Ooh. Let's take a picture. Hold on, guys. There you go. You get a better angle. Hold on, Jess. Don't move. Oh, you just blocked my light right there. There you go. There you go. Take a picture. And got the hamburger and potato. And then there goes the additional vegetables, guys. We got green pepper, tomato. Woo! Look at that. Look how good that looks, guys. That looks delicious, yes. Looks like chili a little bit. Oh man, I can't wait to eat already. Is it good, Jess? Is it good? I guess so. Woo. Man, that's good. This is looking real good, man. Okay, there you go. Oh, you don't want a non-stick, Jess? That's fine, man. It's Jess's cooking corner tonight, guys. Hope you guys are having a great evening or a great day, a great morning. Okay, look at that. And like I said earlier in my live feed, I got some pokey right there. Enjoying this wine right here. One glass. Oh, one glass. Well, actually half a glass is almost done there. That's Jesse's glass. That's Romeo over there. Okay. All right.
It's on.
So Romeo's hungry. He's just like the grandpa. When he's hungry, he gets grumpy. Is that correct? Okay, guys. I know you guys are waiting to see the eggplant get cooked, guys. Woo! I can't wait to see that. Yes. I can't wait to see that. Do you need to put oil in that thing? Or, oh, there you go, guys. Woo. I spoke too soon, guys. So we got extra virgin oil action going off there. And looks like Jesse's just gonna heat up the oil a little bit before the eggplant goes in. Alright, guys. I hope the angle here is pretty good for you guys. Okay.
What you want?
Okay, almost. What's that, son? Oh yeah, trippy. Wait, you want me to take this out?
No, 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 no.
No?
Too far.
Alright guys, here we go.
What's going on, Romeo?
Woo! Yeah, take a picture of this again, guys. There goes an eggplant. Wow, hope the angle is good for you guys. This is called torta, guys. Oh. How do you spell the torta, Jess? Torta? Is that it, basically? Yeah, okay. I'm filming with my cell phone, guys. So we apologize if the quality is not too good.
Falling apart.
Ooh, it's falling apart. It's all good, Jess. It's all good. Look at Jess go. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good, Jess. That looks really good. Wow. Holy moly, somebody is really grumpy over here. You have to wait, son. So hold on. Hey, make that soft. Social experiment. You experiment. You should have fed your brother today. Wow. Look at that, guys. And we got the other thing here. Ooh, look at that. Jess is going off tonight. Welcome to Jess's cooking corner tonight, guys. Look at that. Oh, Lord. I'm eating good tonight. I'm gonna sleep early tonight. Sleep early with a full belly. It's gonna be a raw vlog, guys. Grab my. If you guys want more talking, just watch my live feed. I was talking a little bit more. Now I'm kind of like, whew, I'm feeling good, guys. Man. Okay. This is.
Hold on, son. Wait a minute.
You
Wait
got
a
the-
minute.
Ooh, that's smelling good, guys. It is smelling good. Every time I eat this, it just reminds me of the Philippines, man. Because we always eat this in the Philippines. Look at that. Holy moly, macaroni, that looks good. Let's take a picture again, guys. I love torta, Jess. Good job. Where'd you learn how to cook torta? All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys. So follow us on Instagram where I'm going to post the end product, guys. Right? Look at that. Hold on, Jess. I'm going to take a picture of that too. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good job, Jess. Alright. Yeah, so it is smelling good. It is looking good. Oh, man. Jess is going off tonight, guys. Look at that. Man. Jess, you are an excellent cook, Jess. Thank you for taking care of our family, Jess. Jess got me through my stomach. When I first met Jess, I mean, yeah, she fed me real good, and I was like, "Yep, this is the woman I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with." Look at that! Holy moly! That looks good, yeah. Woo! The smell of it is really good, guys. Too. Oh man, that looks good, Jess. Does Erica like torta?
I already don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Okay, guys, let's go see. Let's go see this bad boy right here. There you go, guys. So basically, boiled eggplant cooked with egg.
Son, what's going on? What you want then?
All right, guys, peace out. Oh yeah, like I said, follow us on Instagram, more stories and all that. Okay, bye.